waterfall, which we took 1 hour to hike all the way here. It's a really easy hike, it's pretty flat. The only thing is because it rained this morning and it rained last night, so everything was really muddy. You have the option to take a caballo, a horse ride, to go all the way to the last resting point and then hike the rest of the way down to the waterfall. Waterfall, which is slightly smaller, and then the second waterfall is just a few meters away, which is really fun, really big. I'm going to go check out how many meters it is exactly, and the name is actually translated from Spanish. It actually means jump, and so there was a little ledge at the side of the big waterfall where we jumped. It was scary. Okay, maybe not so scary. It was like a few meters high, but the water was really cold, even though it was midday now, and the crowd gets more and more throughout the day, so try and go as early as you can. We jumped! This waterfall is named after the word
Salto,
which means
jump. Say jump.
If you saw from our path and walking through all that terrain, you'll know that it's super muddy and there are river crossings involved. We had to cross at least 2 rivers and then now through the first waterfall to get to the second waterfall. So definitely I wouldn't recommend wearing shoes. Preferably wear sandals if possible with good friction. I've been wearing my Tiva shoes, my Tiva sandals for over a year now. It's super durable. It has a lot of friction. This is not sponsored by the way. And I really love it. I use it throughout all my adventures, from going to the beach to river crossings to trails to treks to all sorts of terrain. Really good. In front of me, this is the last resting point. It's like a little cafe restaurant owned by the locals. You can get some food, snacks, there's a souvenir shop, and you get a very nice viewpoint to the large waterfall. And from here on, this is the last point where the horses, the rest of the way down, it's all like stairs and it's all going down.